Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Berea, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Samram, Merile, Samuel, Samuel, Hergong, Chronicle, Chronicle, Ezra, Nehemiah, Ezra, Job, Samregum. Borobepe, Elirame, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Desuibe, Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malaki. Gertie, Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, Tadime, Rome, Corinna, Galatia, Ephesus, Philippi, Colossae, Thessalonike, Thessalonike, Timothy, Timothy, Tita, Philemon, Heraime, Jacob, Peter, Peter, John, 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 Judah, Amen.